So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. Finally, the results for the Technical Scripter 2026 GfG Connect edition is now live for all the challenges, including the daily challenges, posting streak rewards, editor choice, mega engagement rewards. All the results are out. How to check the results? I'll show you, do not worry. But before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel, like the video. So I've shared the link in the description. From there, you'll be able to find this particular profile, right? Now here, you have to just scroll and find the results. Okay, so for example, let me just come over here. So you can see this is the 30 days streak winner. Okay, they have announced. You can find your name. You can use Control F to find the name over here. Similarly, for 15 days streak also, the results have been announced. Now here, you can see that all the people's names are there, means username are there. Okay, so here you can simply scroll and found all the categories which are listed over here. You can see. So you have to just find it like this, and some important things regarding the prices. So if I just see, if I just come down over here, you can see what you need to do. You have to first of all complete your GfG profile to claim the rewards. Means you have to just enter your profile picture, your education qualifications, all the things you have to just modify. For example, I'm just opening any of the profile. Let me just see. So like this, you can see this is a sample profile. You have to add your profile picture, add your college details, experience, all the things over here. And then after the prize emails will be out mostly in 28th of March. All the details will be shared to you via email. Okay, means now the next step is that you'll be getting all the instruction how to claim your GfG t-shirt, the INR 1500 rewards, or maybe if you have won other prizes also. If you just come over here, you can see there are variety of cash prizes listed over here, including the GfG t-shirt. So you can just reach out to them. Okay, mostly they will mail you to get your details for shipping the swags. Now second most important thing is that if you're not seeing your name, what you can do, you can comment over here and tag them. They'll surely reply and just address your query. Also make sure you have not missed any of the streak. Okay, so this is the main thing I wanted to share. Prize will be out very soon. Stay tuned, and if you're interested in other events also, okay, you can just check out the channel. We have covered multiple opportunities in the channel. Okay, you can watch the videos and understand about different programs, participate in it, win some cool goodies over here, and get some cool rewards too. So thank you. This is the thing I wanted to share, that the prize are live, and then you'll be able to claim the prize mostly for all the winners. The mail will be out on 28th of March. So this is the main thing. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.